are quite the pyro. You light the match to watch it blow. And if you'd never